Assalamu alaikum, 9th class students. Mathematics exercise number 5.4 today. Okay students, move towards question number 1, exercise number 5.4. X cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is the expression given. Students, already I have informed you that what is variable, what is coefficient and what is constant. Variable is x here, and there is nothing along with x cube. That's why we will consider that its coefficient will be 1 because there is nothing. X cube coefficient is 2, x coefficient is 1, and this is constant because this is a just number. There is no any variable, means a non value, and unknown there is no any. That's why we will say it is a constant. This is basically an expression because there is no equality sign. That's why we can't say it is an equation. Equation we will say if there is an equality sign between left hand side and right hand side, but here is no any equality sign. That's why it is an expression. They have given us factorize each of the following cubic polynomial by factor theorem. Cubic polynomial mean cubic, it's mean we have to check that the variable power should be positive, should be positive. That is called polynomial. In fourth chapter we discussed about polynomial, I think is, and there 4.1 we have discussed about the polynomial, that what is polynomial. Basically the power of variable is positive, then we can say it all positive, all powers should be positive, then we will say it is a polynomial. Cubic polynomial mean its higher power should be 3 because cubic highest power should be 3. So here its highest power is 3, that's why we will say it cubic polynomial it is. Okay, by factor theorem. What is factor theorem? This expression, by using this expression we will apply factor theorem and we will factorize it. It is basically x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. We will check that here what is coefficient, nothing is, we will consider just 1, so you will name it q, and the constant you will name it p. Constant is p and the coefficient of highest power is 1 here in this expression. Students, we have to basically find the factors of this expression. How to find the factors? First of all, we will find the factors of this constant. This is the 2. So what are these possible factors? Possible factors are plus 1, plus minus 1 and plus minus 2. For example, here if it is 6, suppose it is 6, so we will take 6 2 3 times and 3 1 times. Its possible factor will be plus minus 1, plus minus 2 and plus minus 3. These 3 factors means including positive negative, these are 6, otherwise these are 3 factors of 6. Then we have to try any because this is one thing more important thing. This is cubic polynomial, its power is 3, that's why its possible factors will be just 3. These are 6, but just 3 will be applicable here, means 3 will be satisfied on this expression. We have to try all 6, but after that we will check that which 3 are satisfied for this expression. Just like that, 2 is here and its factors are plus minus 1 and plus minus 2, but these are 4 total, and here is 1, so 1 its factor will be plus minus 1. Plus minus 1 is already here, so no need to write. Plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 is enough. We will try plus minus 1 and plus minus 2 for this expression, and we will check that is it applicable, it is satisfied or not. We will consider that this is polynomial. P of x is equal to x cube minus 2x square minus x plus 2. This is polynomial, and we want to check for any. First of all, we will try for plus 1 for x is equal to 1. Put these values in this equation. P of, instead of x, on the place of x we will place the value of x, and this is 1 power 3 minus 2. It's 1 minus into 1 plus 2 and plus 2. This is 1 minus 2 means 2 1 times plus 2. Cancelled, plus minus cancelled. So P of 1 will be equal to 0. It's mean we can say that this is 1 is the factor of this expression. So 1 is the factor because by applying 1 we found 0. So that's why 1 is the factor. Means x is equal to 1 is the factor. Is it factor? How to find the factor now? X 1 we will take on this side, it will be negative, equal to 0. This is the factor. First factor, it means 1 x minus 1 is the first factor. In this way, x minus 1 x minus plus 1 x minus 2 x plus 2. These are 4, but we have to check any 3 will be satisfied, but 1 will be extra. So first is satisfied, x minus 1. Now move towards x plus 1. Means x plus 1 means x we have to take equal to minus 1. Because x plus 1 we have taken, minus 1 now we will take. So applied minus 1 here. It's minus 1, minus 2, because it's positive, and positive 1 and positive 2. 2 cancelled, 1 cancelled. It means P for minus 1 is also equal to 0. So what we say, we will say that minus 1 is also factor. X is equal to minus 1. It means x plus 1 is the factor. So these two are factors. How many should be total factors of cubic polynomial? 3. 3 factors should be there of cubic polynomial. Cubic polynomial because its highest power is 3. 2 factors we have found, 1 is left. We will check that is it satisfied for plus 2 or is it satisfied for minus 2. Let's check. Apply 2 now. P of 2. 2 3 times 8 minus 2 into 4 minus 2 plus 2. 8 minus 4 to 8 minus 2 and plus 2. Plus minus cancelled. Okay. It means this is also factor 2. So x is equal to 2, and because on the replacement of x we found, and there is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2, and to find the factor x minus 2, it will be on the other side of equality. That's why sign is negative now. Equal to 0 is the factor. Now students, we have found 3 factors of this expression, and these are satisfied for this expression because these are factors. So no need to find the other third, fourth one, because that will not be applicable, that will not be satisfied. That's why no need to put it. So these 3 are enough. One is x minus 1, x plus 1, and x minus 2 are the factors of given cubic polynomial. Clear? These 3 are factors, x minus 1, x plus 1 and x minus 2, because when we applied these On this expression we found remainder equal to 0, and that's why these are satisfied for this expression. Students, till question number 6, 1 to 6 all are of same method, and question number 7 and 8 are different, because in question 7 and 8 I'll tell you what is the difference there. Till question number 6 there is just coefficient is 1, means q is 1, and polynomial constant is whatever, and coefficient of highest power is 1, means q is 1. You can say simply just q is 1, and that's why these all questions are of same method till question number 6. You will try different factors, and try that are these factors, how many factors are there. Fine, you will check these, and question number 7 and 8 inshallah in next lecture I'll solve for you. Till then you will solve question number 1 to 6. One I have solved for you, practice it frequently, and solve on your register, inshallah I'll check. Till 6 question you can do easily, because all are of same method, no need to do. If I find that there is need to do, I should do, but I found that no, there is no need. So 7 and 8 inshallah I'll do for you. You will try in next lecture. We will meet. Till then, Allah Hafiz.